Hey everybody, this is Rich down on the river. Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Today what we're going to do for you is we're going to prepare a version of my Kachava shake that I have with my lunch about every day. Could be one of my possibly favorite combinations. Chocolate, peanut butter, banana. So, and you can check out my mixed berry version, which you get off the website if you go to kachava.com. And I'll leave that video up here in the iCard above. So, yeah, I'm so glad that Eric and Jenna turned me on to the Kachava because it's different. I've lost a little weight. I've actually, toned down a little bit. And coming from a meat and potatoes guy and a barbecue guy all my life, it's reputable. So guys, let's get inside and start lunch. All right guys, so let's go ahead and we got our Kachava and we have our PB2 and our banana. And I like my bananas to this stage for this purpose, okay? And of course I got my whole milk. So let's get this Kachava started. All right guys, again, just like the other video I mentioned in the iCard above when I did the mixed berry, it's 2 scoops of the Kachava. There's 1, and here's 2. Okay, 2. Now I'll move on to the PB2. Okay, here's the PB2. You can find this at your local grocery store. It's just the powdered peanut butter, which I'm really surprised. It's very low on salt as far as the servings. 2 tablespoons, you get 90 milligrams of sodium. Protein's pretty good. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of this. Okay, tablespoon 1 and tablespoon number 2. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to skin this banana. We're going to tear it into sections and put it in here. Okay, see the bananas in there. We got our Kachava, our powdered peanut butter, and our whole, I'm calling it overripe banana. Of course, I'm a fan of vitamin D milk. So we'll just put it up to the line there. And what line I mean is, it says 14 out, but we're going to blend it. It's going to be a lot lower than that. So let's get it blended up. All right, guys, we have our blender top on. We're going to stick it in here and let's blast it. All right. So we got our Kachava mixed up. And we'll just settle for a second and we'll go outside and I'll give you a taste test on this. This stuff is really fantastic. All right, guys, we're back out. We're outside and look at that stuff. You can tell it's a little less solidified than when you use frozen stuff. So that's my experiment. So let's get it in. Man, guys, this is a nice day on the river. I mean, nice day. Look at it. It is beautiful. Nice day, no rain. So we're gonna get this Kachava in right here. This is my lunch. This is the peanut butter, banana, chocolate mixture that I do. Recommended by Jenna from Driverline Up. So cheers. Wow. That's good. That is really good. You get the chocolate. And you would think that peanut butter, powdered peanut butter would be chalky, kind of weird. But no, not in the least. It's smooth. You taste the banana. And that's why I like the bananas to be a little overripe. Because of the fact, if you get a green banana, it's going to be a little bitter. It kind of gives it a different taste. Look at that. Oh. So, this stuff is fantastic. I mean, once I start drinking this shit, I can't put it down. Wow. Again, the chocolate, the peanut butter, the banana, kind of one of my favorite. We got some other combinations we're going to try. Well, I get hooked on one, I usually wear it out until I run out of bananas because the bananas get bad pretty quick. So guys, If you haven't tried Kachava, Kachava.com, and they have, you can subscribe each month. You get a bag each month. You can do a one-time purchase. And so, again, the credit goes to Jenna and Eric at Driverline Up for turning me on to this stuff. It's fantastic. I drink it every day for lunch. If it's possible, but it's usually possible at this moment in life. So stick with me during my venture, getting myself in better shape to be over the road. There's a lot of stuff I have to get squared away. That's what's taking so long to get the prime. Just personal stuff I have to get squared away. I have animals. I have to, I got stuff I got to square away before I have to disappear for a month or so. And I get to come back home for a little bit. So, guys, Kachava.com, check it out. Check out DriverlineUp.com, their website, and Driverline Up's YouTube channel. I'll leave it up in the description box, and I'll leave it up in the iCard. And this is good stuff. So, guys, again, I hope you like what I'm doing. Like, share, subscribe, click that bell so you get all notifications. All my social media links will be in the description box. Hit show more. And get you some Kachava, man. His stuff is pretty good. So, guys, share with the world and your friends and family. And when you do share with them, tell them the best shakes and barbecue comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.